In India's land where jungles thrive, a giant friend so vast, alive with thrones that swing and ears so wide, an elephant with gray stalks stride. In the wild they roam, so free beneath the shade of the banyan tree majestic. Tusks and wrinkled skin, in the animal kingdom they truly, with gentle eyes that seem to gleam in the river they love, to stream a shower with the trunks they take, splashing water, a playful lake. With trumpets loud they greet the day. In the jungle they dance and sway, wise and gentle, strong and grand. In the heart of nature they firmly stand. All little ones come gather round, discover the wonders so profound. The elephant, a creature grand, in India's realm they proudly stand. So let us cherish these beings, so rare, with love and respect. Let's show we care in the wild where they belong.